I just got back from the rapid prototyping facility to pick these pieces up. These are the components for 3 modules, and they're slightly different from this version. This one's to show how it can lock and unlock and hold different positions. This version is going to be for showing how there's space for mechanical components and motors and electronics. For example, this component right here has this area and this area, and it's also flat. Two of these come together like that. This one's almost the same as this one, except for some changes. For example, this one's got the hole going all the way through, and this is a notch I made with a Dremel, and a newer version has it so that it's built that way. Most of these pieces came out pretty fine. All 6 of these are the same. All 6 of these are the same. These 3 here, these 6 there. These are the pieces that go on there. They're also the same. This is the thumb button, and that's that component there. There's supposed to be 5 more of these, and the component from one side looks okay, but oh, what's that? Whoops, it's got a slight bend or drooping to it. So also it was supposed to have this hook here, and it's got no flexibility. I put a little pressure on it because it's supposed to be straight, but I put a little pressure and snap, it came right off. Anyways, I'll have to have those components. This one made with probably a different material. It needs the I'll get to those other blue pieces in a second. This is supposed to go in there like that, and this circular section is supposed to fit underneath there, but since it's warped, it's not going to fit. These blue components form a segment, a sliding intermediate segment. I'm not going to connect them. I'm probably going to remove the lip of these hooks, because I figure if this other one snapped off, these are probably going to snap off too. And some of them are also kind of, here's one that's kind of warped. It's supposed to be straight, but you can see it's not sticking up straight. The way it's supposed to work is this one goes in here and it slides back and forth like that, and there's supposed to be another one that fits on top of it. Connects, take one like this, turn it around, they fit together, and this is the right half, and there would be a left half. So these two connect together with this one to slide inside of those two, that pair of pieces, and these slide inside of here when these pieces are connected together. This part works pretty well. I can fit these. Well, some of them are a little tight, so to find one that I'll probably have to take a Dremel tool to them. But it slides like that, and that one goes in here, and this one fits in there like that, and it can pivot like that. you put another one like that, and another one of these, and they fit together like that. We can fit these together, so that forms that, and as you can see, there's all kinds of space. It's a huge bubble. It's got room for all kinds of goodies. This piece fits on like that. Well, that can go in here, and it can pivot, and it can fit all the way in. I'm not going to push it in because it takes some force, and I'm going to clean up the pieces before I try to actually assemble them together. I also made these pieces so that they can all fit together once I add all this stuff. They can lock together as well. I think maybe not. So there's how they can form a complete loop. So now I have enough pieces to make one entire cube. These connecting plates, those came out pretty nicely. They can all fit to each other. This is just for demonstrating connecting and disconnecting. They're not supposed to lock the way this other version was designed initially.